How to make $1,000 fast in less than 24 hours. Practical strategies to earn quick cash when you need it most. Sell high-value items you don't use. The fastest way to make $1,000 in a single day is by selling items you already own. Electronics, designer clothes, jewelry, and gaming consoles can be listed on platforms like Facebook Marketplace or eBay for quick cash. Offer freelance skills for immediate gigs. If you have skills like graphic design, writing, programming, or video editing, you can take on rush freelance jobs. Many clients pay premium rates for same-day turnaround, making it possible to hit $1,000 quickly. Take advantage of gig economy work. Driving for rideshare apps, delivering food, or offering same-day moving help can generate significant cash in a short period of time. By stacking multiple gigs across apps, you can dramatically increase your earnings. Flip products for profit. Buy undervalued items locally and resell them for a higher price. Furniture, appliances, and collectibles often sell fast if priced competitively. Quick flips can add up to $1,000 or more if you target in-demand products. Offer local services. Think about what your community needs right now. Lawn care, snow shoveling, house cleaning, or pet sitting can bring in quick cash if you promote your services through local social media groups or neighborhood apps. Rent out assets you own. If you have tools, equipment, a spare room, or even a vehicle, you can rent them out for quick income. Platforms for car sharing, Airbnb, or local rental sites make it easy to earn money without selling anything. Take on emergency odd jobs. Many people are willing to pay premium rates for last-minute help. Offer same-day moving assistance, event setup, or handyman services. Urgent jobs often pay higher because clients are desperate for quick help. Leverage social media to advertise quickly. Post your services or items for sale on Facebook groups, Craigslist, or Nextdoor. Social platforms have local reach that allows you to connect with buyers or clients immediately. Ask for rush payments. If you already do freelance work or own a small business, offer a discount or incentive for clients to pay invoices early. Some businesses also use invoice factoring services to get cash up front for outstanding payments. Conclusion: making $1,000 in less than 24 hours is challenging but possible. By combining quick sales, freelance work, gig economy jobs, and offering urgent local services, you can hit your goal without long-term commitments.